Big. All right, homie, boy. The dirty. Hey, all the way around. Something fast. You said that already.
Listen, it's over there. Some more.
I know, but let's get yeah, but the real fairy is well on the inside. Ow! Fairy on the inside, come up with a ball.
Okay. You got to keep my men's off, but this ain't more we do, we lose the game, okay? Alright? So wake up!
It's been all Carter here in the first quarter. Carter over 161
Why is my
yards.
flower out of the blind?
Minus 21. Mitchell. Right now, I don't know if we need to worry too much about the scores, just whether or not we're going to take all these boys home. Tommy, it's offensive line at D.